Hi everyone and welcome. In this video we will see how to read holding register data of your Modbus serial device using JavaScript. So your JavaScript will act as a Modbus serial master and it will connect to your Modbus serial RTU or RS485 device and it will read the holding register data from that device. Okay, so how you can use the JavaScript to do that? So that thing we are going to cover in this video. And if you want to get the code, then you can click here and you can get the code. Okay, and once you get the code, you will have a 4 file inside the folder. So this is the 4 file you will get inside your download. Okay, now the main file is the index.js file, which is our JavaScript file, and the second important file is config.json. So you have to use config.json to configure your parameters, and then you have to run index.js to read the data from your Modbus serial device. So basically this will be the our data flow. So here we have a JavaScript in the center which will act as a Modbus serial client or Modbus serial master, which will connect with Modbus serial device, and it will read the holding register data and then it will print the data in the console. Okay, so to run the index.js file, we first have to install the necessary library. So to install the library, you have to open the command prompt in the same location, and then you have to run npm install command to install the necessary libraries. Okay, so as you can see here, added 25 packages. So libraries are installed successfully in your system or in your folder. You can see node_modules folder in the project folder. So libraries are installed. Now we have to set parameters in the config.json file, that from which a Modbus serial device we are going to read the data. Okay, and what will be the reading interval. So I have already created my Modbus serial device using MoreSim software. Okay, as you can see here, I have simulated the holding register, and this Modbus serial device is running on the COM1 port with 9600 baud rate, data bits 8, parity none, and the stop bit 1. And I have used virtual serial port driver software to connect COM1 with the COM2. So whatever data is available on the COM1, the same data will be available on the COM2. So if I want to read this data, then I can use COM2 to read this data instead of COM1. Okay, so let me open the config.json file. Okay, now you can see we are going to read the data from the COM2 port. The baud rate is 9600, as you can see here. The data bits 8, parity none, the stop bit 1, and the slave ID is 1. Okay, so you can see the slave ID 1. Now we want to read holding register starting from 0, and we want to read 10 holding register. So that's why you have to specify starting holding register and number of count. And then after, we want to read the holding register at interval of 10,000 millisecond. You can change as per your requirement. So let me change it to 1000. So it will read our holding register at every second. Okay, so all you have to do is just save this config.json file. Now you can again open the command prompt in the same location, and we can run our code using node index.js. Okay, node index. Sorry, let me clear everything. Node index.js, and it will connect with our Modbus serial device. You can see connected to Modbus device on the COM2, and it will read our data at every second. Okay, so this is how you can use JavaScript to connect with any Modbus serial RTU or RS485 device, and this is how you can read the holding register data of your Modbus serial device. Previously, when we have created a video regarding how to read holding register data of your Modbus TCP IP device using JavaScript, there we are doing all the configuration in the index.js file. Okay, so we are providing IP address, port number, and starting address and number of count. Everything we were providing in the index.js file, but right now we have modified this and we don't touch the index.js file. We will just modify the config.json, that what register we are going to read. Okay, so all you have to do is just provide the information here, and the index.js file will work according. Okay, so this is the improvement we have done from the previous videos. So I hope this thing is clear, that how you can read holding register data of your Modbus serial device using JavaScript. And if you want to download the code, then you can click here and you can get your code. Okay, now in the next video, instead of holding register, we will see how you can read input register value of your Modbus serial device using JavaScript. Okay, so let's meet in the next video. And in the next video also, we are going to use the same OpenModSim software to simulate our Modbus serial device, and we will install the library and we will read the data of our Modbus serial device using JavaScript. So let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.